Car Story research indicates this vehicle as having valuable features in high demand. Features also include adaptive cruise control, keyless entry, keyless ignition, remote start, towing package. With these ratings, looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2024 F-150. A Ford F-150 knows how to handle any situation. It's built to follow orders, no whining. This vehicle has less than 2,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: four-wheel drive, rear step bumper, blind spot monitor, tow hitch, hill descent control, chrome wheels, heated mirrors, remote engine start, brake assist, stability control. Come see the car for yourself.